Good morning, students. Now, chapter number 4, World Population Structure. Chapter number 4, World Population Structure. What is, first of all, here? What is population structure? What is population structure? Divide the population with their characteristics. Divide the population with their characteristics. Characteristics found in the population. ठीक है? All divide the population with their characteristics like age group, male female ratio, urban rural ratio, urban population, rural population ratio, occupation and literacy, that is called population structure. That is called population structure. What is the definition of the population structure? Divide the population with their characteristics like age group, male female ratio, urban rural population, literacy and occupation. That is called population structure. Here the 5 components of the population structure. First, age structure. Second, sex ratio. Third, population composition. Fourth, literacy. Number 5, occupational structure. Occupational structure. We also here define the population structure with the help of these components. First of all, divide the population with their characteristics. Age group, male female ratio, rural and urban population, literacy condition, education condition, and the occupation. That is called the population structure. All these are the 5 components of the population structure. Now here we start about the components. Number 1, age structure. Now here start about the composition. Number 1, age structure. Here, first of all, here what is the definition of the age structure? So divide the population according to their age group. That is called age structure. Divide the population according to age group. That is called age structure. So we can classify the age structure in 3 parts: child age group, adult age group, and elderly age group. First of all, here child age group, second adult age group, and third elderly age group. So first here child age group, the newborn baby to 14 years including child age group, and the 15 to 64 year counted in adult age group, and the last elderly age group above the 64 years. All these are included in the elderly age group. So first of all, here child age group, 0 to 14 years child age group. Children are included in the child age group. Approx 26%, the world population 26% part is the are included in the child age group. If we consider here the total population of the world is 100%, then this population 26% part is the child age group. Countries where birth rate is high, have percentage of child age group is high. Then here underdeveloped countries, developing countries, underdeveloped countries and developing countries where the birth rate is high, like at the African countries where the child age group percentage is also high in the population. The largest child age group found in the African continent. According to continent, here the highest child age group found in the African continent. Next, here the birth rate low, like here developed countries. In developed countries, Western European countries, Russia, Japan, Britain, Germany, Italy, all these countries here have low birth rate. Then here the developing of the child population is also low. So here the percentage of the child age group is also less in the total population in these countries. Clear? Then here second adult age group. Adult age group 15 to 64 years. 15 to 64 years. 15 to 64 years people count in adult age group. Total world population 66% part. If we consider here the total world population 100%, then 66% part of the total population are included in this adult age group 15 year to 64 years. Total here 15 year to 64 years population are included in adult age group. Adult age group also classified in two parts: youth age group and the adult age group. Youth age group and the adult age group. Clear? Youth group 14 to 35. Youth group 14 to 35 and adult group 35 to 64 year. Clear? Youth group 14 to 35. The population of 14 year to 35 year are included in youth group, are included in youth group 34 भी कर सकते हैं and the adult age group 35 to 64. ठीक है, these population are the working population also. Here the productive population here the most dynamic demographic population in this adult age group. Maximum adult age group found in developing countries. Maximum adult age group percentage found in the developing countries, like here the India. ठीक है, adult the maximum percentage of the age group is adult age group found in the developing countries. Next here the elderly age group. All these people 64 years above are included in the elderly age group. World population 8% part is included in the elderly age group. These population are the dependent population. They are child age group and the elderly age group are depend on the adult age group for the survival for here. Next here the maximum elderly age या maximum old men are found in कहाँ मिलते हैं? Developed countries like the Japan, Germany, France. In total population of the Japan 18.27% part is elderly age group. In Germany 17.17%. In France 16.21%. Clear? And highest all elderly age group are found in the developed countries. Clear? Where demographic these countries are where the जो हमने demographic transition theory पढ़ा, we studied about the demographic transition theory given by the Thomson and Nordstein. The fifth stage. All these countries are included in the fifth stage of demographic transition theory. Where found the elderly age group? Where found the percentage of elderly age group? Clear? 18.27%, 17.70% in Germany. In France, here the 16%. Here the maximum ratio of the elderly age group found in these countries. Japan, Germany, France are all these developed countries. Okay, so here the age structure divided in three parts: child age group, adult age group and the elderly age group.